So today's going to be a very simple day out here at the range. I'm going to practice my trigger isolation on the target on the left. This is the beginning of my flat range. It's not perfect. I'll practice trigger isolation on the target to the left, then I'm going to move forward to the 5-yard line because I'll be practicing trigger isolation at the 10-yard. Move forward to the 5-yard line and actually run a Bear Standards drill. The importance of running a Bear Standards drill is that it practices recoil control, trigger pull, reloads, and situational awareness. All very important things to kind of train on, and you can get a lot of training for very low round count drills. So let's get started. As you can see, my shot placement was all over the place. I'll have pictures of the target in editing. I'll add that into the video. I'm gonna go grab another target, see if I can do a little bit better. Did pretty poor on the last one. I think I'm anticipating the shot, so I'm gonna work on that with this round. And the reason I like training at the 10-yard line, because some people would probably say, well, move up to the 5 and you'll, be better. All those probably would have been on the target. Not the most accurate, but on the target. Is the reason I like training at 10 is that it accentuates your flaws. It accentuates your deficiencies and allows you to actually focus on what you need to do to be better. So we're gonna go ahead, reset that drill, try it again. If this one's more successful, we'll go ahead and hop to the Bear Standards drill. So that one went better. Fixed a lot of the anticipation with my right hand, made the anticipation work with my left hand. Either way, you'll see a picture in editing. I'll go ahead and snap a good picture of it, put that up. And now I'm gonna move the camera, move the tripod, move forward, and do the bear standards. So now for the bear standards drill, this is 5 shots in each rectangle, reload, 3 shots into the center target. See how I do. Well, it's 5 in each rectangle, so the first mag has 10 in it, so it would be 9 plus 1 in the chamber from the holster. And then reload 3 into the middle target, and then you kind of just take the time to observe what's going on. I'll have a picture of this target that I'll put in editing, and in editing I can go frame by frame and see my exact times because I don't have a shot timer. As far as what that would technically be considered, it would be a fail. I need to slow it down. This was from the 5-yard line and had 1 miss for the first rectangle, had a line split on the second, and then just completely messed up on that middle target. Not really because of the reload. I had a good grip on the gun. It was just I was outpacing the way that I'm able to shoot. So I'll take a picture of this target and get that posted in editing. So basically I'm a child and I decided I want a redo on the bear standards drill. So I'm gonna go again, see how it goes this time, focusing less on the time taken to complete it because I think technically the acceptable standard is 9 seconds to complete the entire drill. I'm gonna focus more on just being accurate, have a good stance starting out, and just go at it from there. Well, I didn't do a whole lot better, but progress is progress. I had 3 complete misses. I had one line break, and actually managed to stack 2 of them in the left-handed box. I don't know if it'll be inverted when I put it in editing. If it is, I can probably flip it back. I don't know, I'm not that tech savvy. Again, I should probably just slow myself down and not worry about it too much. The point of the bear standards drill is to be accurate and then speed up. But it's also a great warm-up to practice all of your basics. When you get to the range, you can do the trigger ISO group, it's Virginia in the middle of or the end of April. Wildlife everywhere. They're trying to be a part of the video. But again, picture of this will be uploaded in editing. The point of this is not that I'm the absolute best shot in the world. It's just to show you that there are methods to getting better on a budget. With the redo of the Bear Standards drill, this was more than a box of ammo. With the 2 trigger ISO drills and the Bear Standards drill, I still had 7 rounds left in that box. I went over by 6. It is what it is. If you're a better shot than me, then you could get away for, what is that, 28 rounds? 15 or 16 technically for the first trigger isolation exercise, and then 13 for the Bear Solutions exercise. You could train, you could do each of them twice, which I did, and still be able to hit the range on a budget and practice some valuable skills. Again, this isn't about being the best. It's about growing and developing as a shooter. I know I'm looking around a lot. There's a lot going on out here. And I'm willing to share my failures with y'all. So, also, the Bear Solutions targets are available for free on their website. I highly advise you to take advantage of that opportunity. You got to pay to print them, but you get whatever, 500 sheets of paper and somebody with a printer, and then you can get really meticulously designed targets that are designed to train you on the basic principles of shooting, like the trigger. Well, I didn't use the actual trigger isolation target. I'll print some of those out, but my printer ran out of ink. I know, I'm telling you how great it is and then failing at the same time. The actual trigger isolation target is designed. You can watch their YouTube video on how they use it. It makes a whole lot of sense the way they designed it. The Bear Standards drill is a great drill that they designed, and the target's designed around that drill. So, and then Bear Solutions is a bunch of very experienced and very proficient shooters, so you can kind of trust what they have to offer. I'll post a link to both of those targets in the description. Hopefully next week you'll be able to see me actually using the trigger isolation target.